Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sese plantains. First, it's crucial to select the right plantains. Choose firm, green ones for the best texture. Next, carefully peel them, as the sap can be a bit sticky. Once peeled, slice each plantain into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. This ensures even cooking and a consistent final product. Getting these initial steps right sets the foundation for delicious Sese plantains. Now, let's move on to frying. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add your plantain slices in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color on both sides. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side. After frying, remove them and let them drain on absorbent paper towels to remove any excess oil. With our plantains fried, it's time for the mashing process. Transfer the warm, fried plantain slices into a sturdy mortar or a large, durable bowl. Now, add a generous pinch of salt and about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Begin mashing the plantains thoroughly. You want to achieve a smooth, cohesive dough-like consistency, free of large lumps. This step is key to the unique texture of Sese plantains. Finally, let's talk about serving your delicious Sese plantains. Once mashed, you can form the mixture into small, appealing balls or patties, or simply serve it as a mound. Sese plantains are best enjoyed warm, making them a delightful and satisfying side dish. They pair wonderfully with a variety of main courses, such as savory stews, grilled fish, or even a vibrant, spicy sauce. Enjoy your homemade Sese plantains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.